apply with this one for that. Maybe I should apply here. Yeah, they go. One place here. Hey, let me cross and set this building. PA.
Receptionist.
Good morning,
Good morning. How was your weekend?
I bless God though. It's just this fuel scarcity. If you see me today, you go pity me.
Mama, I trek almost 30 minutes before I could get a bus.
If you can't get the bus finishing call, come they hear the amount where then they shout, where then they call. The price, if it kill somebody, Whoa, this coming election, when we just vote wisely, we will just use our common sense to vote. Because the country is not funny anymore. So people see that we are not even graduates. We don't see work. Talk less of people that are even graduates. Ordinary cleaner work, now they find this money. Who knows?
Whoa, Abeg, MD asked me to pick up a file from you.
Oh, yeah. I'm done with it. So you can just make a photocopy and sign on it.
Okay. All right, thank you. Take care.
Tired like this, yo. They go my house, daddy. Cleaner needed. Finally, I don't see one. But wait, hope no be saying that my abura go dey sweep for.
Who be that now? Who they follow himself talk? Have you wish kind? Una dey expect visitor. Now wetin happen? Who will they find?
Good morning, yo.
Wetin happen? Now maybe the chief security officer of this able company. Their life in this company, it in my hand. So wetin una dey find you?
Sorry. Say be as I dey go like this, I dey find work. So I can't see this thing for here. Say una dey find somebody for cleaner. So I don't know, maybe the vacancy still vacancy.
Whoa, nobody don't come. Since they don't put this thing there, now only you be the first person wey go come check this thing.
Really? Hey, so when I don't collect me be that.
So now so they tell the employer person, go just come inside like that. They don't go interview you. No, they don't go check your brain absorber. They don't go check your medulla oblongata.
Sorry, yo. I just say since I dey find work, make me a day happy.
You just enter. You go see one receptionist there. She sit down for there, one corner like this. You go meet your mama.
Thank you. Take care of the gate very well, yo.
This ACP company now where people food there.
Thank you, oh. Thank you.
If this girl wey dey waka up and down come join them, my problem go don pile up. In fact, wait. You go fit go message for somebody like me like this.
For where? So go. Because no be you employ me. Send somebody where you and who? No be you be the security where they suppose they send work. Send
the CSO.
Wait.
See the way this guy they follow the CSO talk. This guy go soon slap MD.
Good morning, Mom. Who is Mom? Who are you? What are you looking for? Who has to come inside? What are you here for? What is your name? What is your qualification? So small. Is the question not too much for only me? You should have just asked me one. Small, make I answer you one by one. It's getting too much on my head, Dini. I dey hear you. Go straight to the point. As you can see, I'm very busy here. So, my name is Auntie Afusa. Hey, see trouble. So, if I want to address you now, I should call you Auntie Afusa. You can put it if you want to. It's your choice. Your head never correct. Do you know who I am in this company? Wait till you be. No be ordinary receptionist you be. Me, ordinary receptionist. Don't worry. We'll soon know maybe I be ordinary or I be original. So, what do you want this honorable company to do for you? When I dey pass through na compound street, I say when I dey find cleaner, I just say make I just try. It's not a vacancy. It has been occupied. How? Sebi, the security man don't tell me say una never even see anybody. Now only me come and na me go collect the work.
You dey ask me how? Keep asking me how now. Because maybe you think they just put me for here. I'm a BSc holder. I have my own qualifications.
Ọkọ ìyá mi, ẹ dákun ẹ má bínú. Ẹ ní ṣòfò ẹ̀mí. You are not ordinary again. You are original. Abeg. No vex. Ẹ ní sórí ibú. Ẹ ní sìrìn. Wọ́n ní sákì yín lójijì.
It's enough. So which one is all this incantation now? Who you want sham?
Sorry. Àtẹ̀yìn náà.
You say wetin?
Ma, I don't say anything. How dey follow you talk?
You better not. So, your work role is to resume 7 a.m. in the morning and we do close 5 p.m. in the evening.
Okay.
So your homework is to sweep, mop, and clean all the offices and compound. Your salary is 10,000 naira per month.
10,000. 10,000 naira. With all this cleaning job, how am I going to survive?
So it's too small, abi it's too big.
10,000 naira to clean it, to mop, to clean the offices, to dust everything. Just so I can survive it now. So the transport money, feeding money, house rent. 10,000, too small.
I beg. If you know they're interested, people are outside that are even looking for this opportunity, you know. So if you know say you know if you work, alele.
So this kind of thing you call it opportunity. You don't even know what they call opportunity. This one will be opportunity. This is like agbako. Auntie, take. Please, my paper.
PA. Any better now?
Yeah, MD sent me to you.
What's MD talk?
MD asked me to tell you. Maybe you can increase the salary from 30,000 naira to 50,000 naira for the job of the cleaner outside the vacancy. Yes.
Auntie, you are not a woman being.
What happened? Who is this?
Oga, it is so. It's me that enter now and said I'm looking for work. The cleaner that they put outside. So, and I want me when I employ me. I beg.
Wow. That's great. Please give her the employment letter. Yes, and you can start tomorrow by 7 a.m. because MD need the cleaner. Hey, sir.
Lobaton. Thank God, say man no be God. Hey.
What happened? The salary is too small.
Rara 50,000 to clean and wash. 5 a.m. I don't come here tomorrow morning. Emile Diri, you will see me first in this office tomorrow.
If that's fine by you. All right, tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye. They are not like some people that we cannot mention their name. Call on Sir Sanuni. Say you go give me the employment letter now. Abi you want supper?